Hi everyone, I'm here with my friend Freddie and
Visit Chinbee Lee Special School.
we have today,
Today I visited Lee Special School with my friend Amanda.
I know, we went there. Well, can you tell me, what did we do today?
I went to a meeting.
A meeting?
I answered the phone in Miss Jo's office.
You went in her office? Oh dear.
I did some gardening.
Oh, you did do some good gardening.
I waited to go to class.
Oh, look. I can see you waiting with all of your friends.
I did some work.
Oh, good job.
I read a book.
Oh, wow. What else?
I went on the swing.
Now that does look like good fun. I like to go on the swing.
I went down the slide.
Oh, that was really good. You went down so quickly. Whee!
I played in the library.
Look, that looks like you had a good play in the library.
I had some yummy food.
Oh my, look at all that food you had to eat.
Thank you, Lee Special School.
Yes, let's say, I'm going to say it too.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us and
Goodbye.
goodbye.